Welcome back, guys. So today I'm here with RPG Hair once more, and for today's package I got first I'm seeing my wig here, which I'm gonna get into, and followed by that I have a extra elastic band, well, an extra adjustable strap. It's listed here, they labeled it. And I also got a rat tail comb, a pair of wig caps, and I got a RPG hair pamphlet, which lists, you know, their social media, hair care, all of that is listed on the inside of, you know, the pamphlet. So that's what that's good for. And we also got I also got a flyaway tamer. For today's wig, this is what we're working with, a gorgeous bob. So alright, I've worked with this kind of bob from RPG Hair already, but you know, the hairline is now upgraded to a clean hairline, one of those clean HD hairline, so it's very believable, very realistic. You see how silky and flat that looks already? And it's a nice lace front 8-inch bob. It's 180% in density. It feels real silky, like extremely silky and flowy. I love that movement. It's a blunt cut, and this is really nice. Thing is, this one is even more affordable than the last one that I showed to you guys, so I love that for us. Also, inside of this cap has a total of 4 combs and adjustable straps in the back. It's really nicely done. Everything on it is really neat. So yeah, that's how we're looking. Also, the lace is already pre-bleached and tinted, so you guys don't have to do that. All right, even the lace front here, it's already pre-plucked, so you know, this saves you a lot of time and stuff. Like, I'm not getting any shade. This feels real good. So I'm so excited. I'm gonna jump right into installing this right now. Usually I go ahead and I just, like, you know, I use the adjustable straps in the back to get it nice and snugged. So for today's install, guys, I'm actually going to do a glue install because I want to get these super melted, like super melted. So I'm gonna do a nice glue install for this today, and I love where the cut is. It's not too long on my shoulder. It's right like beneath my chin, just sitting right on top of my shoulders. So I love that. Always love these bobs. Never used to be a fan, but for like over a year now, RPG, once they sent me this for the first time, that's when I was like, oh yeah, this bob is it. So I'm just gonna put away the excess lace on the sides. Then I'm gonna basically, you know how I do it already, I just kind of I apply my glue in halves to just simplify the whole installation process, and make sure if you're wearing makeup like I am, you clean away the hairline, you know, so there's no makeup there, so there's no makeup along here at all. You can go ahead and touch it up once you're finished with application and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna go in with my glue, and I'm using the 𝐒𝐤𝐢𝐤 Hold Me Down once more. All done with applying the glue to both sides, and it's looking really good so far. I just always love this comb, and look at how effortless that looks. And it's gonna take such minimal work to go over this with the straightening. So what I'm gonna do is just, you know, go over this with my elastic band to kind of further melt it down into, you know, to just make it, you know, get real nice and camouflaged. So I'm just gonna take my hot comb now, and I'm gonna just, you know, lay the front and everything really nicely with my wax stick as well, just a little bit, not too much, and get it nice and flat. Kind of wanna go through it so, you know, it lays extremely flat, not just flat at the top, but flat right throughout. That way it looks like it's coming straight from your scalp. So now I'm going to do some really light edges, and then I'm gonna move on to just going over it with my flat iron. I get ready to go in and just quickly go back through the hair with my flat iron. I'm just gonna put my elastic band on to further melt down the lace. I know I look crazy because the elastic band is kind of crimpling my forehead, but that's going to be fixed in a few. I'm just gonna, you know, go through the wig lightly and get it super like bone straight. It's already so straight, you know, but I just want it to be so sleek. Look at that. That's butter, guys. Butter. And I wasn't even like super thorough with how detailed I was with going through the wig. Like, I'm just picking at random sections and going over them. So yeah, it's very easy to work with. It wasn't hard to install. You know, I haven't gotten any shedding. Usually when I'm working with a bob like this, though, when you're working with, you know, short bobs, they don't shed that easily. You know, they shed, you know, but like, you know, like just out of the package and stuff, you know, it doesn't shed that easily. So that's a 10. I'm going to be sure to drop all the specifications in my description box as usual, so I need you guys to go ahead and check it out. So look at that. That is perfection. Perfection. You see that lace? You see that lace, guys? That is super melted. Gosh. RPG winning this blunt cut short bob will always have my heart. Always. I don't wear it as much, but it's one of those looks that's just super sleek and just have an edgy vibe to it, and I love it. Yeah, so that's it. And look at look at the lace. Look at that. Oh, butter. Let's give you a pat. I'm feeling myself in this bowl, okay? Feeling myself. Shout out to RPG once more for today's wig look. As I said before, check my description box for all the details. Go ahead and subscribe. Like this video if you found it informative, if you love the look. You know, if you're gonna get this look, go ahead and give that a thumb up. And that's it for today's wig look, guys. Thank you so much for sticking around, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just want to big up on yourself. I'm your girl, Petite-SUE Divinity, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.